I'm Daniel Brown, editor of Digital Signage Today here at InfoComm 2024, and I ran into a special guest today, Will Bear of Crimson AV. You've been very busy. You want to introduce yourself to us?
Yes, hi, I'm William Bear with Crimson AV. I'm the Vice President of Sales, and we're very excited to be here at InfoComm. It's the biggest event of the year in our industry, and it's always awesome to, reconnect with our partners, both old and new, and show them what's new with Crimson and how we continue to evolve the company.
Well, I love that you mentioned that because it's been already just a year since we last spoke at this event, and you guys have exploded with some new offerings. You're not just the mount guys anymore.
Sure.
Can you tell us a little about this? It sounds like you've got three major product categories just this year alone.
Absolutely. So, our customers that have known us and worked with us for a long time, they know us for mounting solutions as the mount guys. That's
Sure.
our core business and our core expertise, and it will always continue to be. We've had 30 years of experience in that space. We've been doing it as Crimson for over 12 years at this point, and we've established, great relationships with great customers. But, our focus the last couple InfoComms and continues to be this year is expanding into that brand more than mounts, right? And adding new product categories that complement that. So, we're really excited to show a couple new products in that space here this year at InfoComm. We have two new kiosk products, both complementing existing lines. So we've added to our all-in-one solutions.
Nice.
In the back-to-back category. So we've added single-sided and back-to-back with and without touch 49 and 55-inch all-in-one kiosk solutions. So they're great for daily use in a lot of different applications, and they make it very simple for our customers to order. Single SKU solution, everything's integrated, display, built-in Android media player, easy to assemble. It comes in a box. All they really have to do is attach the base. It's 12 screws, plug it in, and it's ready to go out of the box. And they can do a whole heck of a lot with just the out-of-the-box solution in terms of content off of a USB or through Wi-Fi. But they can, of course, it has an HDMI board, so they can add Bright Sign or whatever player, an Android player that they're used to using, and use that functionality as well.
So it's flexible, is what I'm
Very,
hearing.
very flexible. It gives tons of different options to the customer and allows them to sort of integrate it into the environment in the way that best suits the application, for sure.
That's amazing. And with this before, we have a ton of audience members in the QSR space. I mean, we've got retail. What are some of the target uses?
Definitely retail, sort of wayfinding in corporate environments, hospitals. I mean, really it's endless. Anytime someone's trying to integrate a display in a portrait mode in a freestanding environment, it has a great look and feel that maybe elevates the experience above and beyond just a cart or something like that. QSR, not showing them here, but we certainly have outdoor solutions as well for like digital drive-through menu boards, designed around the Samsung products.
High bright, weatherproofing,
Absolutely.
all that.
Yep.
Excellent. And what's this? I hear a lot about this, and I deliberately didn't read a lot because I wanted to hear from you first.
Sure.
With this LED expert line, tell me about this.
Sure. So we're making a big push into the LED space as a lot are here. We're taking a little bit of a different approach. We're trying to build on the back of our existing relationships under the Crimson brand. So we started a sister company, LED Experts Group. We have a team that works specifically on growing the LED business. We're taking, sort of a tailored application-based approach, not a one-size-fits-all. And we're sort of bringing everything together, sort of project management, design, engineering, the mounting solutions, obviously, the hardware related to LED. We can offer content services and all that. And we're really looking to be a true partner in this space and not just sell hardware. So we're trying to help our, existing customers and then also new customers, but the ones that maybe are new to the space that need support. There's a lot of variables in LED. There's a lot of decision points. There's a lot of things that can go wrong if you're not careful and understand how the workspace. So, we're looking to get as involved in those projects as the customer needs, and that could be this is their first LED solutions experience, and they need sort of full support from start to finish. We're looking to walk along the journey with them as a partner in the way that best suits them, ultimately to deliver a happy customer.
Well, not to go off on a tangent, but that's the theme I see year after year at InfoComm. If you meet the customer's needs, meet them where they're at, make their life easier, good things are going to happen.
Absolutely, and that's what we strive to do. Sort of in all of our solutions, but especially in LED because it's complicated. It can't be bought online. It can't be commoditized at this point. there's a lot of different support that's needed, and we're looking to offer that in all different facets of the business.
This is huge. So we've got the new kiosks, we've got the LED experts group, and were there any other big news this year?
So jumping back to the kiosk products, we're also showing a new universal kiosk shell product. So designed to be universal for any 55-inch display. So there's applications where all-in-one doesn't necessarily work. You need to use a particular display for whatever reason. It's universal. Has plenty of storage for adding peripherals like media players and power and strips and all of that stuff. So we're showing that off. And that's part of a series. 55 is the most popular, but we have options in 49 and then also larger in 65 and so forth. And then, going back to the core business, the mounting solutions, we're just showing off some enhancements to existing products. So listening to the customers, taking their feedback on how we can improve things. And, the ultimate goal in the mounting space is always in Pro AV is to design stuff that's friendly for ultimately for the installer, right? That makes their life easy to install, easy to work with. So we have a new generation 2 of our WMLU product. It's a Unistrut menu board product, and it's just added some additional adjustments for post-installation leveling that make an installer's life easier.
Never forget the installer and integrator, please. That's our message. I love that. Listen, we're going to have you on the podcast because you got a lot to talk about.
I'd love to.
You need to get some sleep. You're a busy guy. You do a lot.
It's been a hectic week, but it's great. Now I'm glad that the show's finally started, so we get to talk to our customers and spend time with them. So
well, speaking of which, we better give you some time with those customers because they're lining up. They want to talk to you.
All right,
It's a
perfect.
pleasure. Always good talking to you.
Yep, great. Thank you.